Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Chainlink price feed errors with KuCoin step by step clearly. To fix Chainlink price feed errors with KuCoin, start by logging into your KuCoin account. Navigate to the API management section of your account. Create a new API key if you do not have one. Ensure you grant the necessary permissions for market data access. Next, locate the Chainlink price feed documentation. Identify the specific price feed you want to monitor. Copy the contract address for the Chainlink price feed. Open your preferred code editor or smart contract development environment. Create a new smart contract file. Import the Chainlink library into your contract. Set up a constructor to initialize your contract. Implement the price feed function using the copied contract address. Make sure to handle exceptions in your code. Compile the smart contract to check for errors. Once it compiles successfully, deploy the contract to the test network. Verify the contract on the test network. After testing, switch to the main network for deployment. Monitor the Chainlink price feed in your deployed contract. If errors occur, troubleshoot by reviewing your API key settings. Check the network configuration in your smart contract. Revisit the price feed documentation for any updates. Use tools like Remix or Truffle for more in-depth debugging. Consider reaching out to the Chainlink community for additional support. Make necessary adjustments based on the feedback you receive. Finally, document the fixes you implemented for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.